Good evening, traders and traders. Y'all know it's dreycosting back with another banger. Yo, trust me, yo. Dedication is ahead of a thing. So not in the recording mode today, nor to edit the video, but you know, I mean, I have to hold the commitment very strongly. So I'm doing this for all those people who, there's 20 to 30 people that religiously log into the videos daily. Y'all know yourself, I'm doing this one for you. So big up on yourself and thanks for the support, right? Alright, so for the vibes. So I showed you this on social media where I call this nice little name here. Alright, something off this starts around for 40 pips. Alright, so I call this nice little sell down here. Then I call this nice little buy up here for another 40 pips. Alright, so why did I take this sell and why did I take the buy? Alright, so now that is see the prediction, let's go into it, right? So you guys can follow along on there, right? So quick replay up to here. Alright, so let's look at what the chart looks like, right? So when I get up at London session, right, I realized that price is outside of the trend line here and it's below the buy here push one. So this, remember I said buy is above here and sells below here, but I'm pretty advanced, so I didn't really have to wait for this low to break. So when I got up, I saw this form. I think this is double top roof, and then after that price started to maintain a lower maintenance level, and I saw where resistance was formed right here, bullish candle closure, bearish candle closure. No wick at the top, so because no wick at the top, then therefore we have to take the entry here. So I took the entry there and simple, I got a quick 40 pips, right? Now let's go on now to the buy, right? So you guys can see what I'm looking at. So we'll call this just with the news, right? So we'll call this play with the news. You know what I mean? So I realized that price had rejected this here right here. You know what I mean? And it came on top here and formed support at this buy zone, and that just before the news and bottom with rejection here. Even though it wasn't bullish candle closure, I was reading the news and all of that, so I know that the fact that this push down here, right, and we had a support form here before, right, it's a high probability that being that support was formed here and we are back above the into the buy area, that based on the information that comes out to the news, I see I posted that where with the interest rate, I know that the interest rate was going to maintain, right, that bank of think of maintain it and not let it go bad. So the fact that interest rate came out positive, I was looking for Gbpjpy to continue up. So tapped out a peak for 38, something around that region, right? So that's why I took those entries. All right, so it's simple as that. So if you notice right now, Gbpjpy has been very choppy. So if you look at this is a lot of choppiness going sideways and all of that, right? And that is why I like to use the trend line, because when you're using the trend line, you can know when and not to enter price. So right now, price is not trending, right? It's moving sideways. So the part that is moving sideways, right? And therefore, we're not going to look for any quick entry or anything like that. So let's look at something like this. Let me see if I can put on some magic on this for you guys, right? So this is a bullish flag, right? So DJ push up, right? And what I'm seeing right here is a bullish flag, right? Alright, lower high, then maintain floor, right? And price broke out of the flag, retest, create a higher low, and push up here, right? Make a higher high. So if that's the case, that we have this little bullish flag, then we can wait for some form of retracement here, support to be formed and to continue up, right? So let me show you the plays that we can look at. I know it's what it look choppy to you guys, right? But experience for me, right? So this is resistance, right? We have this bullish flag right here, right? So this is a bullish flag, right? Maintain on this zone right here. This zone is going to remain, right? So buys above 182.255, sells below 282, 182.953, right? And I'm going to show you how it became continuously relevant, right? And remove some of these stuff, and just too much lines. I don't like a lot of stuff on my charts. I like to keep the chart extremely clean. So these are just not really bouncing right now. Alright, so this is the low that we're concerned about. I have to put back here. I have to put back some form of here. But this is extremely important. The price break this entire consolidated area. So these are the areas that we're looking at. Alright. Bear with me guys, my energy is really low today, but I'm trying my best to fulfill my commitment, right? So we came out of this bullish flag, right? So this is like a triangle movement, right? This triangle, this bullish flag, right? So came out of that bullish flag. Get rid of this. So all we want right now is if we're in a downtrend on the bullish flag, then we have higher highs right here, higher lows and higher highs. Notice that this high is higher than this one. So is it looking better to you guys now? So this is what we're looking at now. Alright. You get me? So came out of that flag. So let's remove this now. Right. Just breaking this down for you guys simply, right? So I want a retracement here, back to this area. Right, so I'm here and then push out, right? Alright, let's pick up the V's now, right? Alright, I like this here right here. So bam bam bam, we have to ensure that I don't make the same mistake like other day, right? See that? Roof, right? So we want price to retrace back to the 183.255 anywhere around this region right here. We want support to be formed, right? Bearish candle closure, bullish candle closure, and then we're gonna look to continue up, right? For our body, right? Follow me now. What if at London session, what if it doesn't retrace, right? Then the next option you're going to do, right? This have this upright V right here. All you want to do, right? All you want to do is allow price to, let me get rid of this for a second. If it doesn't retrace, allow price to push up, retest, create a higher low, right? Push high, retest, create a higher low, confirm the basic and trading for uptrend, right? And form support. So you know that bearish candle closure, bullish candle closure, wicks at the bottom, and then the push up, right? So when it come back down, right? So this is like upright V, then you want like upside down like a U, right? So upright V, am I saying it right? Upright V and the regular V, you know what I mean? So you want the downward V, this is the upward V, and so you want like downward V formation, right? So this is what the downward V formation look like, see? Downward V's. Right, so downward V's is on support. Alright, upright V's are at resistance, right? So this right here is roof, so you want all roof, now becomes new floor, and you want here bottom with rejections, right? And once support is formed, bearish candle closure, bullish candle closure, then you can do up, right? That's my son waking up. Alright, I come in, son. Come in. You in a GJ markup, don't spoil it now. Don't spoil it now. Everybody gonna hear you crying in the video, right? And I'm not gonna cut this out. Alright. Let me go get him. Come. Alright. So we gotta finish. Hey, we gotta finish this markup for them, right? We gotta finish this markup for them, right? Oh, that's on. We gotta finish this markup for them, right? What's that? That's GJ. GJ? That's GJ, right? So GJ? GJ? Alright, that's GJ. Alright? Alright, whatever. Regardless of what, we're still pushing out the video, guys. You know what I mean? We're being a great father, great husband, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? So we're just being a strong steward. Alright, so bam. I'm gonna look to come here and push back up, right? And I told you the other team that they can wait up here. Alright, so this is one or option. So this option 1, right? Back up to here. Then you have option 2, right? Support form push up to here. Also now you're gonna look at option 3. So this low, this is the low, this is the previous low right here. Alright. Let me remove this right here. This is not the previous low. My bad. Let me delete that. That's my bad. This is the previous low right here. right? So this is the previous low right here, but this low is much more safer. So what you want to do is sales below 182.953. So GJ would have to break through here, retest, create a lower high, confirm the basic or trading for a downtrend, and then you look to continue down. And remember, when it comes here now to retest to create a lower high, resistance have to form. You want bullish candle closure, we got the top, bearish candle closure, we got the top, and then you look to continue down, right? So in summary, right, what we want is that we want buys above 183.255 or sales below 182.953, right? And possibly buys above 183.958. It all depends on where price is at London session, right? So all right, so remember, all you have to do is get up a pre-London open and just look what type of candlestick action is showing at that time. Just trade within time of value. All right, keep it simple. You don't have to be around your laptop or computer the entire day, right? Just stick with the time of value. All right, so until tomorrow, say bye-bye. Everybody say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Yes, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. All right, he's trying to say bye-bye. All right, so until tomorrow, guys. Right, I hope this markup was really helpful. Right, so remember to just drop your question in the comment section, reach out on social media. We're here to help. Straight balling, no stalling. I'm out.